So today I'll be showing you how to rename your input sources on your Samsung Smart TV. This could be HDMI devices or even USB devices. So from the home screen, just go to the main menu on the left and then go to connected devices and then scroll through your connected devices and find the one you want to rename. So for instance, if I want to rename this particular input, I can just, once it's highlighted, press the down button on your remote, and then you should see the option to edit. Select that, and then now you can choose from any of these pre-made names, or you can go to the right hand side, press the selection button, and you can be able to write your own name. So for instance, I want to change this to something different because I know that's my Google TV. I'll just quickly type my name and then come down here and select go, and then go down there and click OK, and that's it. You can see now that particular input source has its name changed, and I can do that for all the input sources that I have on my Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.